Question 3. We are to rationalize 3 over 2 minus root 3. Option A, 6 plus 3 root 3. B, 6 minus 3 root 3. C, 3 plus root 3. Why D, 3 minus root 3. So, we are to rationalize this. So, we have 3 over 2 minus root 3. So, to rationalize this, we are going to multiply the conjugate of the denominator with the numerator and the denominator. So, the conjugate for the numerator will be what? 2 plus what? Root 3. So the sign here, it changes. So we have to use this conjugate to multiply this and this. It will apply to both. So let's multiply. We have 3. So let's multiply this with this. So we have, you put this in bracket, 2 plus what? Plus root 3 over what? Over this. We have this 2 minus root 3, and we are going to multiply with the conjugate. That's 2 plus what? Plus root 3. So we rationalize it now. So let's simplify. We are going to use 3 to open this bracket. So we have 3 times 2, we have 6 plus what? 3 times root 3, we have 3 root 3 all over what? We have, so let's open this bracket also. We have 2 times 2, that's what? That's 4. Minus 2 times root 3, we have minus 2 root 3. I mean plus 2 root 3. We have positive sign at the front of this, so we have plus 2 root 3 minus root 3 times 2. That will be what? Minus 2 root 3, and what? Root 3 minus root 3 times root 3. That will be what? Minus 3. So if you multiply root 3 times root 3, you have what? You have 3. So let's simplify further. You have 6 plus 3 root 3 all over what? This one cancel this one. Since they are the same thing, they are having positive and negative sign, so they cancel each other. You are left with what? 4 minus 3. So we have 6 plus 3 root 3 over what? 4 minus 3 is 1. So 6 plus 3 root 3 divided by 1 will give us 6 plus 3 root 3. Is it there in the option? Yes. Option A is the correct answer. So if you find this video helpful, please make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Let's move to question 4. Question 4. Rationalize 1 over root 2 plus 1. 1 over root 2 plus 1. Option A, we have root 2 minus 1. Option B, root 2 plus 1. Option C, 2 minus root 2. And option D, 1 minus root 2. So let's rationalize 1 over root 2 plus 1. 1 over root 2 plus 1. So to rationalize this, we are going to multiply the conjugate with the 2, with the numerator and the denominator. So the conjugate for this one is what? Root 2 minus 1. Root 2 minus 1. So we have to multiply this with the numerator and the denominator. So we have 1 root 2 minus 1 over what? Root 2 minus 1. Root 2 plus 1, open bracket, root 2 minus 1. Yes, that's it. So we are going to multiply this. So 1 times root 2, we have root 2. 1 times minus 1, we have minus 1. Over what? Root 2 times root 2, it gives us 2. Root 2 times minus 1, that's minus 1 root 2. Then 1 times root 2, we have plus 1 root 2. Then 1 times 1. 1 times 1, that gives us what? Minus 1. Minus 1. So as you can see, we are having the same sort here. So we can easily remove the 2. So we'll be left with root 2 minus 1 over what? Over 2 minus 1 will give you 2 minus 1. So we'll be left with root 2 minus 1 over 2 minus 1 is 1. So root 2 minus 1 divided by 1 will be what? Root 2 minus 1. That's our final answer. And we can find that in what? In option A.